Welcome back, guys. Hope you're having a great day. It's our effort to make it just that little bit better. And if it does make it a little bit better, then just drop us one of these. Highly appreciate it. Today we're doing another Harry Potter video where we're going to be turning this
and this
into
these.
Ooh.
And all you need for that is a glue gun and maybe paint when you want to paint over the wall.
What about patience?
No patience.
If I'm doing it to you, I don't need it.
Shut up. Be careful, the hot glue is like really hot, so don't.
Wow.
So don't like
touch it directly.
Yeah. And the glue stick starts melting immediately, so always have a wooden table. So when it falls, you can always like take it away. It leaks if you just leave it like this for a very long time. Once it dries, you can just take it out. Throw it.
It left a mark.
No, let it go. See, it's gone. It's gone.
Okay. She says it's gone, sir table, so it's gone. What are you gonna do? How are you gonna do?
I'm gonna make a huge wand. And I'm gonna teach you how to make it with an actual pencil because it still really works and I would really love to use it. So I'm just gonna make the wand around it and use it as a pencil. So what we're gonna do now is take the glue stick and just run it over the pencil. I'm leaving this part because I wanna use the pencil and I'm just gonna draw over it.
What happened?
It's too hard.
Did you burn your hand?
Yeah. So once it starts drying up, you can shape it however you want. So I'm just gonna press it down. It's actually therapeutic. You can just do whatever style you want. I'm just trying to make the rim bigger. And from the bottom, I'm gonna start making rings around.
Like a nice base for the wrist.
I'm just gonna wait a second or two for it to dry. If you see, it keeps moving right and left because it's still super liquidy. Can you see that? It's very funny. This part is done. Now we're coming to this.
Your hot glue skins are on point.
Now that I've got like one texture going on, and from the bottom there's like the spiral type of texture. I'm just gonna paint it and see how it comes out. Before I paint it, I'm just gonna make one more.
So
Yeah. Turning. I haven't touched this part because I still want to use it as a pencil. Otherwise, you can just go over it like you did here. But just keep it sharper because of one's end. These are the different types of wands you can make. This one I made with a pencil again, if you can see the end. So over here I left the first half of it and then from the top I started putting hot glue, so it felt like this.
Now from the top, make it drop.
And then there's just like this accumulation of veins type of a thing going.
not why veins in a wand? But it's very funny.
Because it's magic. I put magic.
Oh, you put your own blood and vein into it?
And then there are a few more. This is like the most simple wand. It's just a basic
But it looks so cool.
The best thing you can do is just take it and just do it whatever you want because it's extremely therapeutic. Just don't keep burning yourself. See, this is also just a spiral. The end just has a thick layer. Same thing with this. And this one is...
What is this supposed to be?
Oh shit.
What the hell did you do?
Okay, so I removed the cap and I just used with the ink and the pen. So if I just removed this as a cap, I could technically use it as a pen. It's actually really cool. I should do that. See, it's like an outer layer and then like... It's cool, no? This one I actually joined two really small, simple pencils that I didn't like together. And over here, so if you notice, there is like this hot glue residue. And it adds so much of character into your wand, so I just let it be. Like, it looks so much more real. It gives like this old feeling to it. So what I did was I put some hot glue on this side and this side. And I attached both of them. And I waited till they dried up. So what you normally do is you put like a lot more hot glue all over it, which makes a thick layer. That's why it's like this over here. Gunda.
How is it?
Gunda. Because I put so much of hot glue over here,
but it looks so good.
Yeah, over here.
But it's like two different wands. Like this end is one wand, and then this is a completely different.
It's actually like that took some time. And now it's time to paint it. First paint it black, and then take like a sponge or take like a thin brush, like a really tiny brush, and just wish wash it with gold, okay? So when you do that, only the texture will have gold and the rest will remain black. So you're gonna have like this fancy effects of just gold just shining through the black and not have a mix and match of both. So I think I will understand better in this. Can you see that? Can you see like gold imprints here, but then there's black here and gold here and black here. So just paint it completely with black. And then coat it with gold wherever you think it fits. And that's all. You'll have your very own wands. But if you do want me to make your wands for you, you can always comment below. Thank you. If you're trying to make your own wands, do tag us in the pictures that you're posting. We would love to see what you've come up with. And if you want me to make your wands, you can DM me personally.
Yes, everything in the description. And if you like the video, drop us one of these. And until next time, always remember, life is good.
Hit the notification bell.
Ouch.
Okay. So good. First paint with black. First